Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have 4 plus 4 divided by 4 multiply 4. Okay, so 4 plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 multiply 4. Now 4 plus 1, 5 multiply 4. Now 5 times 4 is equal to 20. This is incorrect answer because we follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, parenthesis first, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So solve again, right? So 4 plus 4 divided by 4, 1 multiply 4. Now multiply first, right? So 4 plus 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So this is the correct answer.